Hello lovelies, welcome back to my channel. So we are making cake today, a strawberry cake, a fluffy indie, very yummy cake. It came out so yummy and nice. So the only problem, I hope you watch until the end and see, you tell me what I did wrong. Yeah, the cake was so sweet, but I hope you see what happened at the end of the video. Watch until the end. Please like and also comment on my video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so that you don't miss on my uploadings. Actually, what I'm making is a strawberry red velvet cake. So yeah, this is the recipe that I used, but something came out at the end. I don't know how to go about it. Just watch it to the end and let me know what you guys use to make it look like a real red velvet cake.
So loud as the hours pass, we're gonna do